200,000 miles. What separates the car that dies at 100,000 from the one that runs like new at 200,000? Luck? Brand? Nope. It's how you treat your engine every single day. So today, I'm breaking down the real secrets mechanics and long-term car owners use to push their engines past 200,000 miles. Because here's the truth. Every car is built to last. It's the owner who decides how long it actually does. Respect the oil, and it'll respect you. You've heard it 1,000 times. Change your oil. But do you actually know why it's so crucial? Oil is your engine's blood. It lubricates, cools, and cleans. But over time, that golden liquid turns dark and sticky, filled with metal shavings and carbon buildup. When you delay oil changes, your engine starts grinding itself from the inside. If you want to hit 200,000 miles, you need to treat oil changes like religion. Follow your manufacturer's schedule, or better yet, do it a bit earlier. Use high-quality synthetic oil because it lasts longer, resists heat, and keeps internal parts clean. And don't forget the oil filter. A new filter is like giving your engine a fresh set of lungs. Skipping it is like changing your bed sheets, but keeping the same old pillowcase, pointless and gross. Here's a golden rule. Check your oil every 1,000 miles. Pop the hood, pull the dipstick, and make sure it's golden brown, not black sludge. That tiny habit alone could add years to your engine's life. Coolant, the unsung hero of engine life. Think engines die from old age? Wrong. Most die from overheating. Coolant, that colorful fluid running through your radiator, keeps your engine from literally melting itself. But coolant doesn't last forever. Over time, it loses its ability to prevent corrosion and boiling. If you've never flushed your coolant, your system could be filled with rusty sediment clogging tiny passages in your engine. That's like forcing someone to run a marathon while breathing through a straw. To go beyond 200,000 miles, replace your coolant every 2 to 3 years. Use the correct type, not just whatever is on sale at the gas station. Mixing coolants can cause gel-like buildup that blocks flow. And never ignore a rising temperature gauge. That little needle is your engine screaming for help. Pull over, cool down, and get it checked before you cook your motor beyond repair. Don't ignore the timing belt or chain. If engines had a ticking time bomb, this would be it. Your timing belt, or chain, keeps pistons and valves dancing in perfect rhythm. If it breaks, that dance turns into a violent collision, destroying your engine in a split second. Most timing belts should be replaced around 60,000 to 100,000 miles. If your car uses a chain, you're lucky. It usually lasts longer, but not forever. Keep an ear out for rattling noises at startup or rough idling. Those are early warning signs. Replacing a timing belt isn't cheap, but replacing an entire engine is much worse. Consider it an insurance policy. The difference between a 200,000-mile champ and a car destined for the scrapyard. Gentle driving, long living. Here's something most people never realize. How you drive matters more than how often you drive. Every time you floor the gas pedal or slam the brakes, you're aging your engine. Cold starts, short trips, and constant high revs strain every moving part. Want your car to last? Warm it up for a minute before driving, not idling for 10 minutes, but giving it enough time for oil to circulate. When you accelerate, be smooth. When you brake, be gentle, and avoid redlining just to feel the power. Engines are built for performance, yes, but not punishment. Drive smart, and your car will reward you with years of loyalty. Keep it clean, inside and out. Most people wash their car's paint and vacuum the seats, but completely forget the engine bay. Dirt, leaves, and oil residue collect under the hood, trapping heat and corroding components. A clean engine doesn't just look nice. It runs cooler and lasts longer. Use a soft brush and a bit of degreaser to clean around the valve cover, battery, and belts. Avoid high-pressure water. A light rinse and towel dry is enough. And here's the bonus. When your engine is clean, you can easily spot leaks or cracks early, before they become expensive disasters. Remember, maintenance isn't only about fluids. It's about giving your car the respect it deserves. Change the air filter, like you change your diet. Imagine running a marathon while breathing through a dirty rag. That's what your engine does when your air filter is clogged. Air filters protect your engine from dust and debris. A clean filter lets the engine breathe freely, improving performance and fuel economy. Most need replacing every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, but if you live in a dusty area or drive off-road, check it more often. Hold it up to the light. If you can't see through it, your engine can't either. You'll notice the difference instantly. Smoother acceleration and better mileage. Think of it as giving your engine fresh lungs. Transmission fluid, the forgotten lifeblood. Here's the killer of many high-mileage dreams: neglected transmission fluid. Engines get all the attention, but transmissions quietly suffer when their fluid breaks down. Over time, heat and friction turn that red liquid into dark sludge, wearing out gears and seals. Change your transmission fluid every 40,000 to 60,000 miles, and always use the fluid type recommended for your vehicle. A smooth shifting transmission means less strain on the engine. And that's how you go from 100,000 miles to 200,000 with grace. Keep your battery and electrical system healthy. Believe it or not, electrical issues can silently kill an engine. A weak battery makes your starter motor strain, which means every start becomes a heavy lift for your engine. Corroded terminals cause voltage drops, leading to incomplete combustion and rough idling. Clean your battery terminals twice a year and check the voltage occasionally. If your car cranks slowly, don't wait. Batteries are cheap. Engine stress is expensive. Listen to your engine. It always talks. Your car speaks a language of sounds. You just have to learn to listen. Ticking, knocking, rattling, hissing. These aren't random noises. They're early warnings. A small rattle could be a loose heat shield today and a failing bearing tomorrow. Turn off your music once in a while and just listen. The sooner you notice something unusual, the cheaper and easier it is to fix. And don't ignore warning lights. They're not decorations. Scan them early, and you'll prevent small problems from becoming engine-ending ones. Use genuine parts and fluids. Want to ruin a good engine fast? Use cheap parts. Aftermarket filters, no-name spark plugs, and fake oil additives promise miracles, but they're the reason engines fail early. Always use OEM-approved parts and high-quality fluids. Think of it like feeding your body. You wouldn't live long on fake vitamins and junk food. Your car won't either. The difference might not show today, but at 150,000 miles, you'll see exactly who took shortcuts and who didn't. Final advice. If you truly want your engine to cross the 200,000 mile mark, you have to build a relationship with your car. Check it, care for it, listen to it. The people who reach 200,000 miles aren't lucky. They're consistent. They don't wait for problems, they prevent them. Your car is one of the few machines that rewards patience. Treat it right, and it'll keep running long after everyone else's has given up. So, there you have it. The real roadmap to keeping your engine alive beyond 200,000 miles. If this video helped you understand your car better, smash that like button. It tells the algorithm this video was worth it. Subscribe to Zero Lift Media and hit that bell icon so you never miss more car wisdom, real-world maintenance guides, and owner secrets that mechanics don't always tell you. And drop a comment below. How many miles does your car have right now? Let's see who's driving the real marathon machines out there. Until next time, drive smart, take care of your engine, and remember, your car can last forever if you let it. This is Zero Lift Media, signing off.